Hey everyone, it's Lola. Want to grow your savings effortlessly? Imagine waking up to sales while you're still in your PJs. That's the dream, right? Well, today I'm diving into 5 proven ways to make passive income on Etsy. We're talking about setting up digital shops that practically run themselves. Whether you're a design whiz, a craft master, or a total tech newbie, there's a perfect passive income stream waiting for you on Etsy. So grab your notebooks, get comfy, and let's unlock your Etsy earning potential. First up, let's talk digital downloads. These are digital files that people can buy and download instantly. Create it once and it can sell forever. Think printable wall art, planners, social media templates. The options are endless. No shipping, no physical inventory. It's pure digital magic. First, find your niche. What are you passionate about? What are people searching for on Etsy? Maybe it's minimalist planners, quirky stickers, or resume templates. Create high-quality, eye-catching designs. Tools like Canva are super intuitive even for beginners. List your digital masterpiece on Etsy. Ensure your product photos are bright and clear. Write a killer product description and use relevant keywords. Once listed, it can generate passive income for months, even years. It's like planting a money tree in the digital world. Next up, we're diving into the world of print on demand, or POD as the cool kids call it. This is a game changer for anyone who loves designing but doesn't want to deal with the hassle of printing, packaging, and shipping. It's like having your own personal merch team, minus the overhead. So how does it work? You create your designs, upload them to a print-on-demand platform, and they handle the rest. Think t-shirts, mugs, tote bags, phone cases, even wall art. The possibilities are endless. When someone orders your product, the pod company prints it, ships it directly to the customer, and handles any customer service inquiries. You literally just design and collect the cash. There are tons of awesome pod platforms out there, like Printful, Printify, and Guten, just to name a few. Each platform has its own pros and cons, so it's worth doing your research to find the one that best fits your needs and budget. When it comes to designing for pod, think outside the box. Don't be afraid to experiment with different design styles, niches, and product types. You can create designs for specific events, hobbies, interests, or even just funny quotes that tickle your fancy. Once you've got your designs ready to go, it's time to create your Etsy listings. Again, high-quality product photos are crucial. Use mock-ups to showcase your designs on real-life products, and make sure your descriptions are clear, concise, and highlight the unique selling points of your designs. And don't forget about promoting your pod products. Share them on social media, collaborate with influencers, and consider running targeted ads to reach your ideal customers. Chapter 3. Editable Templates. Empower your customers. Let's talk editable templates. These are basically digital files that customers can customize themselves using design software like Canva, which is super popular right now because it's so easy to use. Think resumes, invitations, social media posts, workbooks, the list goes on. The beauty of editable templates is that they offer a ton of value to customers because they can personalize them to their liking. And for you, it's a fantastic way to generate passive income because you're essentially creating a product once that can be sold over and over again. So, where do you start? Well, first things first. You gotta find a niche. What kind of templates are in high demand? What skills and knowledge do you have that you can share? Maybe you're a pro at creating eye-catching social media graphics, or maybe you have a knack for designing sleek and professional resumes. Once you've found your niche, it's time to create your templates. And remember, you don't need to be a design guru to make this happen. Canva has tons of amazing templates that you can use as a starting point, or you can create your own from scratch. Just make sure your templates are easy to use, visually appealing, and offer real value to your customers. When it comes to selling your templates on Etsy, presentation is everything. Use high-quality mock-ups to showcase your templates in action, and write clear, concise descriptions that highlight the benefits of using your templates. And don't forget to use relevant keywords in your titles and descriptions so people can easily find your products. Chapter 4. Digital Patterns and Tutorials. Share your skills. All right, calling all you crafty creatives. If you're skilled in knitting, crocheting, sewing, woodworking, or any other craft, digital patterns and tutorials are your ticket to passive income heaven. Seriously, people are always looking for new projects and inspiration, and what better way to share your passion than by creating step-by-step guides that others can follow along with? Think about it. You don't need to manage physical inventory, deal with shipping costs, or worry about your creations getting lost in the mail. It's all digital, baby. You create the pattern or tutorial once, upload it to Etsy, and watch the sales roll in. So how do you get started? First, choose a craft that you're passionate about and that you know like the back of your hand. What are you amazing at making? What projects do people always compliment you on? Once you've got your craft locked in, it's time to brainstorm some killer pattern or tutorial ideas. Think about what's currently trending in the crafting world, what people are searching for on Etsy, and what unique skills and knowledge you can bring to the table. Maybe it's a super cozy, chunky knit blanket pattern, a beginner-friendly macrame wall-hanging tutorial, or even a detailed guide to building your own wooden furniture. Now it's time to create your digital masterpiece. If you're creating a pattern, make sure it's clear, easy to follow, and includes all the necessary information like materials, abbreviations, and step-by-step instructions. For tutorials, high-quality photos or videos are key. When it comes to selling your patterns and tutorials on Etsy, presentation is everything. Use eye-catching photos and videos to showcase your finished projects, and write detailed descriptions that highlight the skill level, materials needed, and overall awesomeness of your creations. Chapter 5. Ebooks and Guides. Package your knowledge. All right, knowledge seekers, this one's for you. If you're passionate about a particular topic and love sharing your expertise, creating and selling ebooks or guides could be your perfect passive income stream. Think about it. You're basically packaging your knowledge into a digital product that people can access anytime, anywhere. The beauty of ebooks and guides is that they're incredibly versatile. You could write about anything from DIY projects and home renovations to business strategies, marketing tips, healthy recipes, travel guides, the list goes on. So, where do you start? Well, first things first, you gotta find your niche. What are you passionate about? What knowledge and expertise do you have that others would find valuable? Once you've got your niche locked in, it's time to brainstorm some killer ebook or guide ideas. Think about what problems your target audience is facing, what information they're searching for, and what unique insights you can offer. Maybe it's a comprehensive guide to starting an online business, a step-by-step plan for decluttering your home, or even a collection of delicious and healthy plant-based recipes. Now, it's time to put pen to paper or fingers to keyboard and start writing. Don't worry about making it perfect at first. Just focus on getting your ideas down. Once you have a rough draft, you can go back and edit, proofread, and make sure it's clear, concise, and engaging. When it comes to formatting your ebook or guide, there are tons of options available. You could use a simple word processing program like Microsoft Word or Google Docs, or opt for a more design-focused platform like Canva. Outro. Start earning passive income. And there you have it, 5 awesome ways to make passive income on Etsy. Whether you're a design whiz, a craft master, or a knowledge guru, there's a perfect passive income stream waiting for you. Remember, the key to success on Etsy is to create high-quality products that people love, write compelling product descriptions, and promote your shop like a boss. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to unleash your inner entrepreneur and start building your passive income empire on Etsy. And hey, if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, happy creating!